In this video, we will talk about how to add or register employees. This is under Manage, Payroll, and Register Employee. This is used to control the payroll book. So you have to register all the employee list here. Now there are two ways to register employees. You can do so manually by clicking on New, or you can use the ECOUNT Web Uploader feature. By clicking on ECOUNT Web Uploader, you can download the Excel template, fill in the data, and paste the data here and click Save. You can modify the data as well. Now, in order to do it manually, you have to press New and fill in the information here. If you would like to add more things from other tabs and put it into the General tab, you have to press the Option and Input Screen Setting. Here, you can add the elements here. Now, the added elements will affect the template in the ECOUNT Web Uploader. So, any changes made here will be applied in the ECOUNT Web Uploader. So, take note. So as you fill in the information, you'll be met up with the UserPay password. So if you would like to use UserPay, which is a system that lets the employees check their own payroll or their attendance or their paid leave statuses. If you're planning to use UserPay, which is a system that allows the employees to check the payroll books by themselves and check their paid leave status. In order to use UserPay, make sure to go to User Customization, Others, and UserPay Settings. Make sure that the UserPay setting is set to Active and have an active UserPay group enabled. Make sure to click Save. Check out the UserPay video for further information. Going back to the Additional Info tab, you can use these elements so that you can fill in more information about your employee. By clicking on Option and Input Screen Setting, you can switch up the display name. Head on over to the Additional Info tab and add in the text type. So if you would like to change the display name to something like religion, you can make sure to change it like this and click Save. Once the text type has been changed, go on back to the Additional Info tab to see that the religion has been added. So you can use the following information and add more details. Using other settings, you can add more personal information like the bank names and bank account number. So fill the information out as you need and make sure to save the data to update the employee list. Now in the Employee List tab, you can use the search function. You can use the tabs and use the information to search. Also, you can use the option and template setup to create a template. By creating a template, you can see the employee list according to your need. If you don't have any template, click on a new template. If you do, and you want to modify it, click on the existing template. Once this menu shows up, you can move around the elements to switch their positions. Click on the setup icon to switch up the display name. Set manually of the font size to change the font and the size as well. If you do not need an element, you can click Delete Column. If you would like to add any elements, make sure to click Add, search for the element here, or find them here and click. Or you can click multiple items and click Apply. When you're done, click Save.